everybody, welcome to Priya's Tarot. So today's reading is going to be about your next 3 months, but especially for Mulang 2. So if your Mulang is 2, this is your reading, and we are going to see what is happening for you for the next 3 months. So let's just start our reading, and we are just going to start from your current energy, so we'll know that yeah, this is your energy and this is you. So Mulang, to get ready for a really special reading for you. Let's see what is going to happen for you for the next 3 months. Okay, so the first card I got for you is Althea. Althea is like Althea is such a beautiful card. It has a lot of depth in it. This card, okay. Then we have the Worm, okay, for you. Another beautiful card for Mulang 2 and the Warrior, of course. And we have the Crone. Okay, great. So Mulang 2, for you especially, I see your current situation is like you are on the verge of ending a cycle. You are so psychic. First of all, you're psychic, your intuition powers are spot on. So if your gut tells you to do something, just do it, okay? I mean, you already do it. You are the people who believe in their gut, I know. Somehow you're just in this energy of sorting everything, like you want to sort out everything. You want to finally have that luxury in your life. You want to finally have peace. And with truth, I see that you want to be with somebody who is truthful. Again, you want to be in a truthful surrounding. You want to be where there is no lies. Well, you want to be where there is no corruption. It's like you don't want to be with the people who lie, who hurt others. You are somebody who just wants a relationship, even if with your family members. You want comfortable life, okay? For you, I see Mulang 2 that you are seeking comfortable life. You want to give comfortable life to your family, to your partner, okay? Also, I see currently you are seeking truth, like what is the truth of this, why does this happen with me? I also see a question with you. And Althea is something that who wants to see the truth, right? And with Althea I have, and Mulang 2, you are like it's either 50-50, it's either 100 or it's either 50-50. There's nothing in between, okay? So you are like, it's either you give 100% or you give 50 and I will give 50, so we'll complete each other. But there's nothing called middle for you, like no, they're there and you're also on my side, you're also on their side. No, for you it's more like, if you want to be with me, just be with me or just don't, okay? You are somebody who wants to see black and white, like you want to see black or white, okay? So it's like that for you, Mulang 2. Also, your current situation involves a lot of nurturing, so you maybe want to be nurtured, okay? Or you want to nurture someone. You want to finally be capable of live the life you want, okay? I see this majorly for you, Mulang 2, that you want huge transformation in your life. You want big goals. And I also see with the Warrior that you have been fighting a lot, you have been going through a lot, and it's also like you have to fight for everything, okay? You have to fight for your job, you have to fight for your position, even for maintaining your position you have to fight for it, okay? It's like there's nothing called, it's like there's no pause for you. It's like there's no moment for you that you are just relaxing, okay? It's like fight, I wake up, I go to work, and then I have to handle everything, okay? You might be involved in a dispute or some kind of argument, so you are like, I have to prove myself, I have to fight, okay? I also see that for you, Mulang 2. And with the Warrior, I see that you don't care, like you're like, I can fight, okay? If I have to prove myself, if I have been wronged, I have to prove it that yes, I have been wronged. Yes, it was happened with me. So I also see with the Warrior that you are not even scared to fight, right? You are like, yes, I have to fight because I have to and I can fight, okay? Also, I see your motive is very clear, Mulang 2. Like you are in this energy of okay, you're in this energy of clarification, like everything is definitely cleared in your life, okay? You are having a clear vision, you are having the best job, you are going to have all of the things that you need. It's like clear in your head. It's your manifestation is spot on. Your manifestation is cleared. You know what car you want, you know what kind of home you want, you know what the life you want. So there's no confusion. You have your motto. You are spiritual, you are psychic, and definitely you are psychic. Your psychic abilities, you are healer. Oh my god, Mulang too, what a healer you are, because we have the worm. So what is the worm? Worm is something that we warm is something that we start our life from, right? That is the first place we live from. We start living first in the womb, then we get out and see the world. So warm, you are just a great home. You yourself is home to a lot of people. So people meet you, people talk to you, and they feel so relaxed, they feel the best. Okay, so because you're so homely, and your current energy is like you are welcoming everyone. Okay, you are like, let me welcome the good energies in my life. You do not attract bad or evil energy. Maybe they come to you, but you are like repulsive to it. You don't even care, you don't even look at them. You are like, yeah, no, you ward off those negative energies, and that is great for you, Mulang too. Also, I see with the worm that you are generating something, you are starting something. It's like you have this feeling that yes, it is going to happen to me, yes, I am going to achieve this. You have this strong gut feeling that yeah, whatever I have desired definitely come to me. Great, great. I see you have great blessings, Mulang too. You have been blessed by the universe. You feel blessed by the universe. You know it, Mulang too. That yes, I am blessed by the universe. Yes, whatever yes, whatever I wish comes true, and whatever I wish comes to me. Okay, so you have heavenly support from the ancestors of yours, the universe, the god deity you pray to. They support you almost every single time. They are looking after you. If you feel that you have no support, or nobody is supporting me, nobody is in my feel that everybody is against me, nobody takes my side, nobody sees what am I doing, my efforts are worthless. No, if you for even 1 second think like this, you just have to get out of that thinking, because you have been heavenly protected by your ancestors, by the universe, by the deity, by the god you believe in. They protect you like no it's like almost you are like their baby. Like, if we have a baby, we look after them. They walk, they talk, they eat something, we're like, no, what have you eaten, Jamun, show me. So they are looking after you like a baby. Like, they watch your every step. That is a boon, but it's like you're aware that you have been watched. Like, you have to answer something, right? You have to answer your karma somewhere. You have this clear vision that whatever I do will come back to me, and I have to answer my deeds to somebody. So you always maintain good karma, Mulang. To I see for you that you maintain such a good karma, such a good aura, and it has been seen by the universe. Very soon, I have this feeling that within 3 months your huge manifestation is coming true. You are buying your house, you're buying a property, you're buying that car, you're just becoming something. I have this feeling because with the worm and the warrior, I see origination, I see origin, that something is finally growing up, something is finally blossoming, something is finally complete. So something is finally coming to an end. So your life, if you are struggling with finances in love life, it is coming to an end, and with new beginning, with new origin, you will have the best. For the next 3 months, you are going to feel so blessed by the universe that you are going to thank a lot of people. You will be so gratitude, you will have tears in your eyes, and it is okay. It isn't really emotional because I feel emotional. Maybe you are feeling emotional right now. Maybe you felt it, right? Yeah. It's okay. See, I just felt so emotional. Why do I feel? I almost cried. Almost. Okay. So you have been blessed. Pile 2. So you have been blessed, Mulang too. Okay. So if you are emotional right now, don't. Okay. This is, I promise you, this is the last time. Okay. And after 3 months, you would not recognize this life, you would not even realize that the life you have been going through and the life you have achieved, it has a 360-degree change. It has wonders. Okay, you will I can see smiling faces, I can see people cheering you. So if you are in a media field, if you are in some kind of company, you are getting recognized, you're getting, you just, everybody is appreciating you, everyone is clapping for you, and I see you, you have tears in your eyes, and it's great. So Mulang 2, that was for your, and that was for you Mulang 2, that was your current energy, and let me know if it resonated with you. Okay, let's see what are the major events that is going to happen for you Mulang 2. I am not surprised that we have the Fool for you Mulang 2, okay, for the next 3 months. Not even surprised, I'm not surprised, no way. At the bottom we have the Hierophant. I'll show you the cards definitely. First card we have is Ten of Swords in reverse, and the second card we have is the Fool, that is in upward direction, and the next card we have Five of Cups, the Emperor, Three of Wands, and Ace of Swords. The major events that is going to happen for you Mulang 2 for the next 3 months are, you are completing your cycle. So if you have been feeling just, if you've been feeling like exhausted, and if you're feeling like a lot of happened in my life but I have not given up, and when is my time, like you are so puzzled, you're like, yes, everything happens for me, God supports me, but when will I be able to, you know, support others, when will I be able to feel strong? So you may want, so you are going to feel strong for the next 3 months. You will feel so strong financially, emotionally, that you can fight anything. So God is definitely, so the universe is supporting you and they are giving you strength. Okay, you are completing your cycle. Okay, that was clear in your energy that yes, something is definitely big happening in my life, and it is again here clear in the major events that yes, your energy is changing, yes, you are completing your life, and yes, you're finally at the last stage of your struggles. Okay, if you want to build your empire, if you want to support others, yes, it is already started. Okay, it's, the universe has already started doing its work, and you will soon see the result of it, you will soon see the fruits of it. Okay, with the Fool I see Mulang 2, you are going to take risk for the next 3 months. You are going to start something really fresh in your life. It is something that you have not seen, it is something that you have the knowledge, but it's like you're doing it for the first time. So you are going to start something, you are going on an adventure, so you might be traveling for the next 3 months. It's just you have to be aware of certain things, like, you know, I mean, I know Mulang 2, you are not afraid of taking on to challenges. You are the fighter, right? You are the warrior. So just be aware of certain people, certain energies, and if you entertain those energies, do not entertain those energies. If you think that this person is attracting bad, negative vibe in my life, just leave them. Don't feel bad, just leave them. Were not supposed to be in your life, they're not supposed to be in your life, so you will leave them. I see you leaving that person. Also, I see that if this person continues to be in your life, you will not be happy because their energy is not good for you. Okay, so you know this person, you know this situation, and you are coming out of it. You are starting from zero, you are starting again, but not starting as in that you have given up everything, you are at the last stage. You are starting as if it's like, you know, a baby is born, so we celebrate the beginning of the baby's, its life. So it's like that for you. You are happy with this. You are not starting this because you have nothing to do anymore. You are starting because this is your ultimate goal, this is your ultimate dream, and you are finally working on it. So it is that kind of start, because I really wanted to make it clear. because when we say you're starting again, it might be that, oh, sudden loss, or maybe something, we lost something and then we are starting something. No, it's not like that for you. It's like you have completed everything and now you're finally working on your major events, your major goal, your manifestations, and it is coming really easy for you. You are the happiest while doing this work. I see you comfortable. Okay, that is also there for you, Malang, too. And the major event, one more thing, is you are not going to feel disappointed anymore. You don't feel disappointed because you do your best with everything. In every relationship you give your best. With everybody you have the best intentions for everyone. You don't even believe in like, I will pray for this and this thing will happen with this person, I will pray bad things for somebody, I will say bad things to them, that will happen to them. No, you are somebody who believes in karma. So you are like, I have done my karma, they will get their karma. You believe in karma, so you are like, you are in this energy of letting go. You are like, you are already in the energy of letting go, and it is happening for you that you are finally moving on and finally working on yourself. You are free to work on yourself. You are so free to finally seek good things for yourself. Okay, I see you financially really comfortable. I would love to say this again, that you are financially very comfortable. Okay, you are doing it because you are enjoying. It's like a new adventure. It's like, have you seen Bear Grylls? How does he take on to adventures, right? He's so happy to do it. He's happy to be in the wildlife. So you're doing something. Okay, you're doing that kind of work that you're happy with. Okay, that is definitely clear. And with the Emperor, I see you doing a lot of so I see you in your myself. So I see you in your masculine energy. You're working on your masculine energy. Your masculine energy is supporting you. Okay, because the feminine energy is um so your feminine energy is so nurtured. She's so happy that she's letting your masculine energy come forward. So that is great for you, Malang, too. Okay. Also with the Emperor, I see that you're planning a lot, right? You are making your decisions on the basis of practical ideas, facts. Okay, I see you doing that. You're no more in your emotional, sentimental era. You're more into your practical facts era. Like, yes, this will do and it will result like this. Okay, I will invest here and then I will get this much return from this company. So you're being really practical. You're working on facts. That is definitely clear for you, Malang, too. Also, I see you being recognized for your masculine energy. It's like almost even masculine and the feminine, they both are getting attracted to your masculine energy. They are appreciating your masculine energy. You might even feel like you're so masculine. Yeah, like, it's not a bad masculine energy, it's like a good masculine support. Also, I see you having a good masculine support in your life, belong to. This is one of your major events, that you will have a great support from somebody who's masculine energy is up front. Okay, that is there for you, belong to. Then we have Three of Wands. You are going to make a really major decision. You are finally I also see you building something, like you're building something, definitely. And one of the major events is going to, and one you're majorly in your career. I see you really, really, I see you definitely getting advices for. So in your career you're starting, or it's like everything is working out for you. So you are like in this energy of, yeah, let's do this now. Let's try this time. Okay, let's do this kind of videos now. Let's go and try to shoot in this area. Let's go and try to like upload a music video. Okay, so you're doing something. So in your career, you're doing something which is a little different from your niche. Okay, that is also there for you, Malang, too. And then I see you getting advices for people. I see you getting supported by elderly people. Okay, by people who have experiences, by people who are traditional. So they are going to support. The society is definitely supporting you. So whatever you're doing, you will get huge support from the society. You will get acknowledged by the society. So that is coming also for you, Malang, too. You are getting recognized by elderly, by strong people. Okay, I get this message that you might get supported, or you might get this proposal from somebody who's really strong, who has a position, who is in power. This person might approach you with a great proposal and you would definitely say yes, because even you are interested in this proposal, so I see you doing that. This is one of the major events that is going to happen for you for the next 3 months. Third card we have is completion, and the fourth card is transformation. Okay, so okay. Hmm. So, Mulang, too, what is happening for you in your career is what you can expect in your career is definitely you're participating somewhere, which is a little different. It's like you have never thought of doing this something, right? It's so new to you. It is almost very exciting for you. You're like so excited to pass. You're so excited to participate. You're so energetic to participate in this kind of work, this kind of environment. It's so new to you. Doing maybe you're doing a new movie, or you have been asked to do a role in a movie and you're so shocked like, me, can I do a movie? Oh really? But you will get approached, like something like crazy will happen in your career and you will go, wow, what? You might get shocked first and then excited later. Okay, so you might get shocked first and excited later. That is definitely happening for you, belong to. And then we have friendliness. So you are going to be this is really cute, that in your career you will have a great friendship. Okay, you are not just getting approached by anybody, you are getting this opportunity by somebody you have great connection with. Maybe this person is new, but you feel like you have some kind of connection with this person, okay, in your career. And then we have transformation and completion. So you're completing the final cycle of your life, the final cycle of your career. So if you're really new, and if you're a fresher, if you're new in your career, it's like if you're trying if you're trying for the first time to get a job, you will get the job in one go. If you're trying to do an exam, you're trying to clear an exam, you will get flying colors in it. If you're trying something new, if you're finally working onto some project, you will finally see the success in it. People will support you, people will invest in your company, people will love your idea, people would want to participate with you in your career, right? So your ideas are great. You are going to be in this energy in your career that you're so new, like you're a baby. You have so many ideas, you have hundred and thousands of ideas. You are like, I'll just achieve this kind of goal in 2 months, I'll just achieve my goal in 3 months. So you have this energy, you're so excited, you're so pumped in your career. There's nothing called there's nothing called laziness, delays in your career. It's almost like your career is changing drastically. I see you financially happy in your career. I definitely see some kind of surprise in your career. You're getting surprised and you're getting excited. Okay, so this will definitely happen for you in your career. Okay, you will definitely get surprised and excited. Okay, let's see love guidance for you. Okay, let's see what is happening for you in your love life. Belong to. Let's see what you can expect for the next 3 months in your love life. Belong to. Oh wow, okay. We have 3 cards. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. Okay. And we have love who you are. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful thing life has to offer. So, Langtu, if you feel like, am I worthy of love? Why do not my relationship works out? Why do everybody hurts me? Why do everybody just wants to take advantage of me? Why do people do not love me? So, if you are having all of these questions, if you think that why can't I have a good relationship? Like, I give my 100%, I put all of my being in some person, right? I just do the best for them, I wish the best for them, I am so caring, so loving, then why won't I receive it back? Okay, so for you So for you, belong to a great love is coming in your life, okay, and but first you need to realize and you have to give chances to people. Also I see that do not give up on friendship. So if somebody even initiates a friendship, like you are not somebody who has friends when they are in a relationship, try to make friends, okay, try to be with your friends. It will do good for you, it will do good in your relationship. Maybe you will leave a toxic relationship and be with someone, they will become your friends first, and then you will definitely start something great with them. I see that, okay. And try to figure out your relationship patterns, okay, why do you attract this kind of people, right? I have seen so much reels that emotional, okay, I've seen so many reels where they say that Mulantu attracts the most unemotional, so most unhealed people in their life. Then try to see why do you attract this kind of people, okay? What is your love pattern? Why do you keep attracting the same kind of people in your life? Why can't you attract somebody who is healed, happy, healthy? Why do you always attract these people who try to take a lot from energy, try to take healing from your energy but can't give it back? Why do you attract these kind of people? You need to look into your pattern, okay, and also see what kind of commitment you need in love. So if somebody is not ready to give you that commitment, leave them, okay. Mulantu, this is your love advice. If someone is not ready to commit to you, leave them. Whatever is your form of commitment, like yes, I want to see a relationship for 6 months and the person is ready to get married to you, don't. Look for the people who are like you, who are at least who has the same values and who has the same needs in love, who has the same values definitely in love, who are the same, like yes, I want to know you as a human being, as a person, and then I want to get to marry you. So if you are, whatever your goal is in a relationship, try to look for that in someone else. If your goals match, your relationship is going to do wonders, your relationship will last forever, okay. Also I see you don't feel that, oh, I am this person, I lack this, don't have this, so I should definitely love someone more because I lack this, right? Don't think like that. You are divine, you're beautiful, Mulantu, your heart is of gold. You're the only person I felt so emotional in the reading, right? You are the only people who I did reading for, and I felt so emotional because you're so good people, and I can almost feel that you have been through a lot in love life, in your past, with your family. It's like almost uh, everybody disappointed you, you gave your best but everybody just somehow disappointed you. So you think that maybe you're not enough, maybe it's something you have done wrong, right? It's not like that, belong to. You are here to heal people, you are here to help people. So as long as you do it, they take the healing and then they leave, because that is the pattern, right? That is what you do. Once you heal somebody, they are healed, and then they will go and find. Okay, so once you find somebody, you heal them and then they leave you, and that is so, and you feel so disappointed that, oh, why this person leave me, what did I do wrong? It's not like you did anything wrong. Your time ended, okay, your karma ended with this person, so they eventually left from your life. What I need you to focus on is that you are complete, you are a full package, you're beautiful, you're caring, you're nurturing, you are the best person I definitely can sense of. Your energy is great, your heart is of gold, it's like a diamond mine, okay. So yeah, belong to, you need to realize that too, that you're wonderful, you're beautiful, you don't need to compromise, you just need learn to take things, learn to receive things, okay. Don't just give, don't just become this goddess that, oh, I would heal the world. No, even the goddess needs healing, even the goddess needs her partner, right? So you have to be able to receive, be able to in this energy that yes, I want to feel like a queen. Anybody who makes me feel less than a queen is not allowed in my life, okay, because you are divine, okay. That is there for you. belong to in your love life. Let's take guidance for you for the next 3 months. What you should do, belong to, for the next 3 months. Let's see. Reveal what needs to be seen last quarter moon in Scorpio. It's time to bite everybody. It's time to give answers to everyone. It's time to be the bad person, Mulang too. I know you're the good of them all. I know you're truthful. I know you fight, but you fight to an extent that even others are not hurt. It's time to hurt people, Mulang too. It's time to show people their place, and it's time to take back what they have taken from you. Mulang too, you need to slay everybody like a warrior, right? A warrior goes into the war and she slays the enemy. You need to slay the enemy for the next 3 months. Whoever comes in front of you, Mulang, to slay them, and you will slay them, because you are in this energy of enough is enough. And yes, enough is enough. You are in this energy of Mulang too, that enough is enough, and now I am going to definitely give right answers to the bad people. I would not let anybody hurt me, do wrong with me, and I would definitely stand strong and give them their type of answer. Okay, the language they understand, the language which they understand, you are going to give it back. You are going to you are going to become a baddie. Okay, Manangtu, so you are giving answers to people in their language, and that is so beautiful. Good. Finally, good. You are becoming this Scorpio. You are like, enough is enough. My patience is over. You have hurt me a lot, and now it's enough. I will take the swords and I will slay all of you. That is your energy. And you are like, you are making yourself clear that you're almost like, yeah, this that happened, and you are saying wrong. You are the one who is lying. So you are also being really straightforward. You are being almost like, get goosebumps, like people will get scared from you. Belong to, you're so nurturing, but now I see people getting scared from your energy, like, oh, let's not touch this person, they will definitely burn us. Like, they will definitely, your energy is so for the next 3 months, your energy is so masculine that people might feel afraid or intimidated by you. Great. So that was it for today, Malang 2. I hope this reading reaches to a lot of people, helps heal a lot of people. May this video gets to the right people by the right time, when they need this video the more. Malang 2, you're special. I wanted to say this, you're so special, Malang 2. You are the most appreciated, most loved by all. You must know it, Malang too. Okay, and you're also the one who has to face a lot of things, because the boon comes with the bane. So don't worry, Malang too. Everything is going to be in your favor at the end. Everything is just going to be in your favor. So that was it for Mulang 2. Thank you so much for watching Mulang 2. I would definitely see you again. Subscribe, like, comment, and share the video so a lot of people can hear